interior, I-N, I-N-T-E-R-I-O-R. Sum of interior angles, quadrilateral. Of a polygon with n sides. A polygon with WITH n, letter n, sides. That is given as n minus 2, you have that in brackets, that is times 180.
Your answer would be in degree.
All right, so you have that written out separately. You have it in the table, but I also wanted you to write it out separately so you can see, because a very important formula you need to, this one you need to know. So how do we use this now? All right, so here's an example. If you are given a polygon, okay, write this down for me now. Example. Find the sum. Find the sum of the interior angles. Find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 14 sides. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 14 sides. And I don't want you to just write down the one answer. You're going to write the formula first. Then you do the substitution. Sum of interior angles of a polygon. Oh, I left out a term, but it's all right. The question should say, find this. What is this? Find the sum. This board spinning on me, so the screen. Find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 14 sides. This thing is not an auto-rotating and it keeps just rotate at its own will. Find the sum, that's what you should have. Find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 14 sides.
It's 2,160 degrees.
Let's give the others a few more seconds. What did I say? 14 sides?
14.
14 sides.
14 minus 2 times 180.
Solution?
180. 2,160 degrees.
But I don't want no one figure. Sum?
Me work out the bracket.
n minus 2. So you write the formula, n minus 2 times 180. Write the formula, then you substitute. So that would be equal to 14 minus 2, and you have your 180 outside. Let me erase this. Write it clearly. Right, 14 minus 2, and your 180 outside. And then you do your simplification now. So that is going to be 12 times 180. 12 times.
160.
Yeah. What the other guys got?
No,
I got 2000. I got 2060.
2060? 1200.
This means that I get Miss Way
Oh.
add up both sides.
12 and 9. 12 and 9, 21. No. No, that should be 6. That should be 6 out there, so erase this. Erase that. That should be 2160. That's what you call Kamisha?
Yes, miss.
2160. 12 times 0. 12 0. 12 7 is 84. 12 8 is 96. So 6 out there, so 12 1, 12 and 9, 21. And put the little 0 up the top there, it is degrees. We have to make sure we include our unit. So put the little knot at the top. 2160 degrees. Yeah. That's basically what you need to do. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides is n minus 2 times 180. I will base that off the fact that a triangle, sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And there's a direct relationship between the number of sides of the polygon and the number of triangles obtained when we draw the diagonal from one corner. That's where the relationship comes in. So we find that the number of triangles is 2 less than the number of sides. So once we know the number of sides, we simply take away 2 and multiply the result by 180. Multiply the result by 180, and it gives us the sum of the interior angles. Everybody get that?
Yes, miss.
All right. Work out the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 22 sides. So the polygon has 22 sides. What would be the sum of the interior angles?
900.
Right. How much?
3,000.
Oh, Takemichi was saying 600 and something.
Miss, wait, miss. The 20 times 180, miss. The 3,600.
3,600.
600.
So you write your formula, do your substitution, do your subtraction, and then you'd have 20 times 180. 20 times 180. All right. I choose this easy figure because what I want you to see is really just the relationship, just the connection. I don't give you a hard figure to work out. So it's the number of sides, take away 2, and you multiply that by 180. All right. Kavisha and Kamoya, you would have missed most of this part of the lesson. I will post the video in the group with some additional notes, but you can pick up from the next subtopic. All right, we're going on to quadrilaterals. Next subtopic, quadrilaterals. I want to share a different whiteboard.